Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Toronto Dominion Bank or TD checking and saving account online in 2023. TD is one of Canada's leading banks, offering a wide range of financial products and services. So by following the steps in this tutorial, we'll be able to open your TD checking and saving account quickly and conveniently. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's simply start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section. You will have to simply visit the TD website account. Simply go to td.com and hit the enter button. That will take you to the TD bank account or home screen or main screen. As you can see, if you click here, it's just for Canada and US citizens, but of course for us, we are just going with Canada. Of course, you can even change the language from English to French to those languages, maybe Chinese, Mandarin, or something like that. So, depending on whatever you like, of course, whatever you want to see the website with. So first, if you don't know much about the website, of course, make sure to go and read who we are on TD Ready Commitment, News and Economies for investors and customer scares. Of course, it will not hurt you to read all about those informations because opening like an account, you should go and open a bank account on a bank that you could trust. So make sure to go and read all the information about us if you are not familiarized or if you're not familiar used to the bank. So you can go and read all the information about us, go through the links and read everything that you want. Then of course, now we will have to go and explore like the personal banking options. So as you can see about TD now, you'll be able to see here whatever you want. Again, simply click on whatever icon you want or the sticks. For me, I'm just going to open a new tab. And of course, you'll be able to go and read more information about it. So depending on whatever you want. For us, of course, we'll start by clicking on personal at the top left corner. Once you click on personal, this will take you to this page. Of course, if you have an account, you'll simply have to log in into it. But if you are in this video, you will normally don't have an account. Or you can click on login here or login here. And as you can see from here, you'll be able to explore the TD Canada Trust and related products and services. So you'll be able to find the checking account from here, find the service saving account from here, find the credit card, explore. We don't care about this mortgage option, and personal investing, borrowing, personalized wealth advice, today rates, and invest and trade online. For us, we care about, like as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, saving and checking. So which is going to be these two options. You can even go and check more about the credit card, of course, depending on whatever suits you. As you can see for the credit card, it's not going to be that important in this video, but the annual fee is going to be this, and of course the interest purchases, it's going to be this, and interest cash advance. So you can go and read all the information about it and continue for whatever credit card you want. For us, we don't care about it, so we care about the checking and saving account. So let's start by checking account. So as you can see, need help finding like the right TD products, you can simply get started from here. And as you can see, checking account. So what is a checking account? You can read all of that. I'm not going to read it all. And as you can see, you can even get a recommendation from here. If you click at get a recommendation, this will just take you to another page. So let just this page load. And as you can see from here, you will find like some checking account that you can get into. So you'll find like 5 offers, and depending on whatever suits you, you can simply go and click on open account on whatever checking account suits you. As you can see from here, you'll be able to compare. So as you can see, you'll be able to read those informations like simple, personal, and complete. Read those informations, or you can log in into your account or just continue as a guest. For me, I'm just going to continue as a guest. And of course, from here, each like checking account will give you some features, as you can see. And of course, depending on whatever suits you, as example, this will have like $30 monthly fees, and this is 17, this is 11, this is 4, and this is with zero monthly fees. But of course, any of those options will depend on whatever suits you. So as you can see, we have here like some three special offers. So this card as an example, or this account is just for TD student checking account. This is for TD minimum checking account. This is TD everyday checking account. This is TD unlimited checking account, and this is TD all exclusive banking plan. So as I said, you'll have to go and read the features. Depending on whatever suits you, you can simply go and open an account. So for me, I'm just an example, I'm just going to choose this TD student checking account. You can simply click on open account, or you can even go and click on compare account, like from this and this. You can go here and compare the accounts from here. So you'll be able to compare all of them and click on compare now. Once you click on compare now, you'll find here all the comparison that you want. Of course, you can even go and compare more than one. So as you can see, we can go and add like 3 maximum. So you'll be able to compare all of them. Depending on whatever suits you, you can go and open your account on whatever you want. So an example, let's just go and open an account on students here. As you can see, you'll have to go and choose the TD everyday saving account or the additional offer if you want to. I'm just going to choose this and click on add and continue. For this, of course, you can simply go, this is just for comparison, so let's just close it up. And here on this account, simply if you want to create your account, you'll have to go and provide them with your personal information, then complete your identity verification, and of course you'll have to go and review like and accept the terms and conditions. So as an example, we can simply go and apply now or get started. And as you can see, simple as that. So for online application, you must be an adult, age of majority. So what's the age of majority? Of course, it's more than 18. We don't even need to open this. So in your province or territory of residence, you'll need a valid email address that is not shared with anyone else. And for checking and saving account, you'll need to provide a proof you are a full-time student. These accounts must, of course, these may change depending on whatever you choose. So these accounts must be for your own personal use and benefits and not for a third party. Your deposit may be insurable by the Canada Deposits Insurance Corporation. So if you want, click on continue instead of cancel the application. And of course, you'll have to go. And as I said, enter your personal informations and complete your identity verification, then review and accept the terms and conditions, and you'll normally be good to go. So you'll simply have after that to fund your account and access your online banking and start using it. You can even explore like some additional TD services which is available. So let's see if you can speed up your applications. Do you bank online with any of these following? So if you are, click on yes, because this will speed up your application. If not, click on no and click on start application. And of course, this should take not that much of time. So depending on your process, so they're processing your requests. Depending on that, let's just go and check like the saving accounts. So the saving account will be normally the same as checking accounts. You'll have to go and scroll and see whatever suits you from here from the saving account. Depending on the features, click on open account. You will have to simply go through all the steps that you go through here on this checking account. So as you can see, it's 0% complete. You'll have to complete it all and you will find yourself. As you can see, it's the same steps and you'll find yourself right there with your checking and saving account. So if you reach this point of this video, that will wrap it or in our tutorial on how to create like your TD bank account, saving and checking account online in 2023. Of course, we hope this guide has been helpful to you in getting you started with the TD account. Remember to keep your login credentials secured and stay informed about TD's latest offering and updates. So thank you for watching and we wish you the best with your new TD checking and saving account. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.